of you gathered here today, not just as staff, but as kauban, pamilya, and partners in purpose. Padayon ta sa pagserbisyo nga tinuod, makiangayon, ug puno sa kasing-kasing. Kining pagsaulog, dili lang pang organization, it is deeply personal.
Munang karon gitagaan ta sa hustong panahon sa Ginoo aron sa ulogon kining maong selebrasyon diha sa kooperatiba ug sa matag usa nga nagdumala niini. Og karon nahitabo na gayud. Praise the Lord.
As we begin this Congress, let's take this opportunity to reconnect, to revisit our values, refresh our purpose, and rekindle our unity.
Liloy Branch, the Dipolog Branch, Plaridel Branch, the Tanggu Branch, Ozamis Tubod.
Kung asa na to, gipaningkamutan ang paglaom para sa katawhan, atong iisa ang atong panlantaw para sa mas malapad ug malig-on nga umaabot.
Rizal Branch, Sindangan Branch, Mulabi Branch, Pagadian Branch, the Calamba Branch.
Welcome, and may this Congress a beautiful reminder of why we serve, whom we serve, and how we continue to build hope together.
Strengthen our bonds, because I don't see just colleagues here, but a family.
Every achievement we've made, every challenge we've overcome, every smile we've shared, it all stems from our shared commitment to serve, to grow, and to uplift.
So sa ginaingon ni Mayor Godwin, in unity, there is strength. Kung may po, in service, there is joy. And most of all, in hope or in paglaom, there is always a way forward.
Your presence here is a promise to our communities that Paglaom lives in every action we take, every word we speak, and every life we touch.